In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the neon swing filter on TikTok. So what you need to do to get this filter is once you're logged into TikTok, you want to go ahead and tap on the discover option there at the bottom bar next to the home button. Then you want to tap on the search bar and you want to search for neon swing filter. Once you've tapped that in, tap on the search button and you'll see some results of videos will pop up, and you can tap on pretty much any one of these to go ahead and look what the neon swing filter looks like. So it's basically that outline of yourself and you can dance to it. So as you can see above the person's username, it says neon swing. You go ahead and tap on that and it'll take you to the filter page, and you can go ahead and add it to your favorites there by tapping on add to favorites. Or you can go ahead and try it now by tapping on that little camera icon. So let's do that. And as you can see, this is the filter, so you can just move around with that outline of yourself. And that's pretty much the filter in action. So that is how you get the neon swing filter on TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.